The 2026 BYD Atto 2, positioned as a small and affordable model intended for contemporary urban lives, marks a new era in BYD's growing electric vehicle lineup. The Atto 2 is envisioned as a response to drivers who wish to take advantage of electrification without venturing into more costly or larger segments, as the demand for smaller, more efficient electric cars continues to rise globally. It embodies BYD's goal of increasing access to electric transportation while keeping a close eye on efficiency, technology, and daily usability. The 2026 BYD Atto 2's exterior features a simple, modern style that strikes a balance between young vitality and sensible proportions. Its small size makes it ideal for congested urban settings, while its aerodynamic form and clean body lines enhance efficiency. The design language tends to be straightforward, eschewing more aggressive components in favor of an approachable, contemporary look. The Atto 2 stands out in the quickly expanding electric vehicle market thanks to its distinctive lighting signatures, streamlined front end, and carefully sculpted panels. The Atto 2's interior is anticipated to prioritize intelligent functionality and space efficiency, with ingenious packing that optimizes headroom and legroom for both front and back passengers. The cabin feels spacious and cozy despite its small size. Sustainable and long-lasting materials are selected to support the vehicle's electric goal. The sleek and user-friendly interior design revolves upon a digital interface that clearly and easily offers crucial driving information, navigation, and vehicle settings. Because of BYD's emphasis on user-friendly technology, even drivers who have never driven an electric car before can easily get used to the Atto 2. Performance of the BYD in 2026, it is anticipated that Atto 2 would put efficiency and smoothness ahead of raw power. Its electric motor is engineered to provide immediate torque for rapid acceleration in city traffic, making it a fully electric vehicle intended for urban and suburban use. Whether negotiating stop-and-go situations or merging into traffic, this feature makes daily driving feel straightforward. Drivers switching from conventional combustion vehicles will experience less range anxiety thanks to the battery system's practical driving range, which supports short excursions and daily commuting. Convenience and effectiveness in charging are other important factors, which makes the Atto 2 a good fit for contemporary lives. The Atto 2's safety and driver aid features are essential to its personality. It is anticipated that the 2026 model would include a number of active and passive safety technologies intended to promote confident driving in city settings. Modern technologies offer extra awareness during daily travels, help with parking, and monitor traffic. These features are designed to improve overall comfort and security by operating silently in the background rather than overwhelming the driver. Even at higher speeds, driving is balanced and stable thanks to BYD's experience with electric vehicle platforms. The 2026 BYD Atto 2 ultimately represents BYD's vision of electric transportation as something useful, affordable, and applicable to daily life. The Atto 2 offers efficiency, intelligent technology, and careful design in a small size, putting real-world demand ahead of luxury or extreme performance. It is made to assist a more sustainable future while blending in well with urban drivers' daily routines. The 2026 BYD Atto 2 is an appealing choice for individuals looking for a small electric vehicle that feels modern, effective, and truly useful because of its combination of accessible technology, current appearance, and electric economy.